Hello students, so here we are with the topic of adjective, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Yeah, so positive, comparative and superlative. So students, we are going to look for this particular topic one at a time. So in this topic where you are able to see the positive part, as you can see I have written some hints for you all. So after watching this video I am also going to provide you some sheets in the video itself. Yeah, after this video itself. So once you go through this video, try to understand the concept and then only go to solving of those sheets. Now in this part of positive, first thing, what is adjective? Yeah, adjective, which we say in German. This is adjective. This is a German word. Adjective. Now adjective means adjective in English, and adjective means the thing which which talks more about noun. If you want to give more information about the noun, so adjective is something which tells you more about the noun. So whenever you want more information about the noun, we normally use adjective in English. Yeah. Now, like I told you, the explanation of pronoun. Pronoun is something which is used instead of a noun. So in that manner, adjective is something which is used to give more information about a noun. Like girl. How is the girl? Girl is smart. Yeah. How, then if you talk about a cupboard, yeah, how's the cupboard? Cupboard is expensive, cupboard is cheap, yeah, cupboard is beautiful. So in this manner you are telling more about some noun. So adjective should be clear in your mind. If I ask you what is adjective in German, you should be able to tell me the meaning at least. Then when you are trying to make a construction of a sentence using the adjective, and that is only positive part, first thing keep in your mind is in the positive part. In the positive part, we use the original adjective form. Original. So these adjectives you all are already familiar till now, because now you all are coming to this particular topic. That means you have already studied most of the grammar topic, because this topic comes on the later part of once you have done all your basics cover. Yeah. So in this part, as you can see, the things which I have underlined, this is positive adjective. The adjective which is the raw adjective or the original adjective we can call it, that is supposed to be used in the positive sentences, like how we have in English. Positive is good, then comparative is better, and superlative is best. Yeah. So in the same manner is in English or in German also. Same criteria. Only here we are adding some endings, same as how we do in English. Yeah. So this schön means beautiful, heiß means hot. Yeah. Now here, first thing, in this type of sentences of positive, you have to use the original adjective. No extra endings. Yeah. Nothing is required. Use the original adjective, whichever you know, whichever you have learned. The adjective is supposed to be learned, students. I'll be giving you one list of adjectives which you all can learn and keep. If you all want to learn something extra, of course you can search it and get by yourself also. But I'll be providing you the book, the content which is there in the book, some of the extra things which normally is used during the exam time. So this is the schön word and heiß word. Seema is so schön wie Rekha. So these are two female. So I'm just telling you that she is as beautiful as Rekha. Yeah. So so and we means as beautiful as. As beautiful as. So we means as beautiful as. So whenever you want to use a positive sentence and when you don't want to compare them, you have to be positive that both the things are equal. They have equal quality, they have equal quantity or whatever it is. You have to keep so we, and in between of so we you are going to add that particular adjective. So I want you to frame some sentence where you use simple sentence. Seema is te means tea. Te is so heiß wie Kaffee. So it is as hot as coffee. tea is as hot as coffee. So in this manner, you can make some more sentences taking in count the positive column, which I'll be providing you later, or if you have any in your notebook, you can use though, and make some at least 5 to 10 sentences for me for positive. Keep it simple. Keep it ist word you can use. Keep it simple. Then zo we use. In between of zo we use a positive, that is the original adjective, and that's it. You're not comparing anybody as such here. You're just giving a statement which is positive. Yeah. Now, as I told here, adjective itself means we are using the original adjective itself. Second is insert it between zo we. Insert it. It means what over here? It is nothing but this adjective I am telling you to insert between zo and we. This is what it is. Yeah. So make some sentences and do send it to me, students.